Okay, let's answer surface area of triangular prism again from independent practice page 777. Let's have the first example. Let's solve for the first triangle. This. Okay. So the base for this one is this one. We got 51. And the height is this one, which is 12. So what against the formula in getting the area of our triangle? Base times height divided by 2. That's for triangle, because we're solving for the area. So we'll use the same formula that we have discussed before. Area of triangle, we got 51 multiplied by 12, then divide by 2. So first multiply 51 and 12. We got 612. Then you'll divide it by 2. What you will get? 306. Since the unit is yard square. So that is our triangular over the triangles. The two triangles. So we'll write it here. Since we have two triangles, this face and the back face. So we'll write here 306 plus another 306 since we have two faces of triangle. Now let's solve for that. I would like to start with the base rectangle, this the long one, which has also 51, and this side is 5. This rectangle down below. Okay, 5 times 51. Since we know the formula in getting the area of a rectangle is base multiplied by the height. So all we have to do is just multiply those numbers. Base is 51 and the height is 5. So area of rectangle 1 is 51 multiplied by 5. So what will be the answer? 255 yards square. Alright? That's for our area rectangle 1. So write it there along with the two triangles a while ago. So write 255. Plus that we still have two faces or two rectangles. As you can see, the rectangles here are not equal. So we really need to solve each of those sides. So this is a rectangle, the top. And here, it has a base of 20 and a height of 5. So I'll just multiply it. Area of rectangle 2 equals to 20 multiplied by 5. That will give us 100 yards square. Okay, so we only need one more rectangle. So we'll write 100 here. So we'll need one more rectangle, which is this part. Yeah. So we got 37 for this one, for the long one. And here is 5. Why 5? Because this and this are the same. So that means if this is 5, so that side is also 5. So we only multiply 37 by 5 for our last rectangle. Okay. We got area of rectangle 3 equals to 37 multiplied by 5. What will be the answer? We got 185 yard square. Okay, so that's for the third triangle. So you write it here, plus 185 yard square. Or since I didn't start writing it the unit, you can also no need to write it. We'll write it for the final answer. Okay, now we will add everything. Okay, 306 plus 306 plus 255 plus 100 plus 185. How many? Write it. The answer will be 1,152. Be careful when you're adding, okay? Because one number, most of it will be, if you got one number wrong, everything will be wrong. So 1,152. Then you will now put the unit, yard, square, and enclose it. Then that's a final answer for that given. Alright? Okay, let's have more examples so that you can fully understand. We'll answer the next one. Alright, I'll give one last example and you will answer later number 2, number 5, number 6, and number 7. Okay? I will be answering number 4. Alright, so first I'll start with the triangle. This triangle. Okay, as you can see, the base is 12 and the height is 10. Oh, that's a triangle. What's the formula in getting the area of the triangle? Base times height divided by 2. So I'll be using the board. Area of triangle equals base, which is 12, multiply by 10, divide by 2. So 12 times 10, which is 120, divide by 2 will give us 60. What's the unit? We got cm. We can write the unit later. Okay? So the 60 is for the two triangles. Alright, so we'll write it on there, on the side, so that it will wait. We'll write 60 plus another 60 because we have two faces. Two triangular faces, this and they are equal. Right? Okay. Now, let's have the rectangle. I would like to start on the bottom part, this part. What's the base? This part is 11. And what's the height? That's 12. So, since it's a rectangle, we will just multiply 11 by 12. You can use your notebook to multiply it. So, right there. Area of triangle, rectangle 1 equals base 11 and 12. 11 times 12. What's the answer? Okay, correct. We got 132. That's for the triangle 1. So you can write it on the side. 60 plus 60 plus 132. Plus, let's have two. We need two more faces. So we're done here. Now, let's look at the back part. This part. This rectangle on the back. This. So the base is, this part is 11 because the other side is also 11. So this side is also 11. And the height, which is this part, see it, 10 and 11. You'll just multiply it. Area of rectangle 2 equals 10 multiplied by 11. That would give us 110. Okay, so again, same thing, you'll write it there. 110 plus the last rectangle, which is this one, the top, this, you see, remember triangular prism has 5 faces, 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. So what's the base? This is the base. If that is 15.6, of course the other side is 15.6 as well. and the height is 11. So you'll multiply 15.6 by 11. So that's for the third rectangle. So area of rectangle 3 equals 15.6 multiplied by, what's that again? 11. Multiply it. Be careful when you're multiplying decimal, how you have to put the decimal in your final answer. So we got 171.6. Then you will write it also again in your book. We'll write it here, 171.6. And then the last, we have how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the last one is you will add everything. Go. Okay, our answer will be 533.6 cm square because we're solving for area. Don't forget the unit, okay? So that will be our final answer for that. So please answer number 2, 5, 6, 7. I will be waiting for your answers. Take picture of it and send it to me. Alright, goodbye. Also, your homework is written in your schedule. Good luck. Bye, girls.